If you're a heat and air conditioning technician or you have a salesperson, what is the end of the rainbow promise that you need to know about, and why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and business, and a fantastic day to talk about you. Coming to you live from Haleiwa, Oahu. All right, so there's going to be a point where you get really good at what you do, and you've got skills, you've got talents, and you've got capabilities. And a manager is going to come to you, an executive is going to come to you, a business owner is going to come to you, and they're going to say, hey, dude, hey, chick, we really love what you do. You are fantastic. You are the greatest thing since sliced bread. And we want to make this deal for you. We want you to do X, Y, Z, 1, 2, 3, and in exchange, we are going to give you something amazing, okay? Won't ever end up in being writing. It won't ever end up being anywhere except for talked about. And so what's going to happen is, in your mind, you're like, okay, I made a deal. I made a deal and I'm going to live up to it. Okay? Well, the problem is that person you talked to that was the manager, the owner, or the executive really was talking off the cuff. That was out of uncomfortable noise. They wanted something from you. They're making you a promise that you can't keep in order to keep you dangling like a carrot, okay? You're just hanging out there like the dangling carrot or the end of the rainbow, right? There's no rainbows today. I wish there was. I'd shoot a rainbow. I'd shoot a video of a rainbow. So what they do is they dangle like the end of the rainbow. There's a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow right here. Pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. And we're going to get you there. But they have no intentions of really living up to that expectation. They have no intentions of telling you the truth. And what you're going to find is you put in the work, you put in the effort, and you go back to them and you're like, hey, dude, chick, well, actually it'd be sir, ma'am, whatever you want to call it. Dude, chick, bro, babe. Make it really easy. I'm on the North Shore of Oahu. What's going on with the situation? Oh, we're going to work on it. We're going to keep working on it. Okay? When we hit those metrics, these are the things you need to know. Oh, we're almost there. But they won't put it in writing, right? Or what ends up happening is the goalposts need to move. You're like, what do I do about that? I'll give you the answer, but first, you should go to HVACTechSecrets.com. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel, but choose private coaching, private training, discounted coaching, discounted training. It's an email publication. You get emails from me. There is a point where you have to make the decision, like, look, they're giving me the pot of the gold at the end of the rainbow, but the goalposts keep moving. They won't ever have the real conversation. They talk around it, but they don't ever say anything specific to it. They tell me that we're close, but they never give an explanation of what's going down, okay? So be aware on your end, through your conversation, with the effort that you're putting in, there should be some way for you to figure out how close to the end of the rainbow you are, right? The rainbow goes like this. Are you here? Are you here? Are you here? Or are you over here? It is your role and responsibility as an adult, as a technician, as a salesperson, to say, hey, time out. If I'm not getting what I promised, I got to get to alternative means. And if you don't think that it's ever going to get done, and all it's ever going to do is be talked about, that's a lack of respect. That's a lack of trust. That's a lack of loyalty. Move on. Someone will love you somewhere else, right? I wish that I would have learned this lesson earlier on in my career, way early on in my career, even before heating and air, that, you know, the whole one, someone will love you somewhere else, but two, loyalty can be earned and can be lost. And three, don't give me end of the rainbow pot of gold promises if you don't really want to live up to them, right? If someone's going to make a promise to you and they're going to say something like that, great, let's document it. So you come to me and you're like, hey, Scott, here's what we want to do for you. Here's what your roadmap looks like. Great, let's document it. Well, we don't want to document it. That's an end of the rainbow promise. You're never going to get there, right? If they're not willing to document it, they're not willing to put it on paper, they're not willing to compensate for it, then it'll probably never happen. It may, on a Wednesday on a full moon when you stub your toe getting out of bed, it could happen. But here's the thing. I'm trying to help you. If someone's really truthfully going to do it, they will put it on the record. Let's go on the record. No, I can't go on the record. I got other people that I got to worry about. Then don't bring me an offer. You just brought me a fake offer, right? If we're not really, or if you're serious, let's go on the record. No, I can't do that for you because then I'd have to do it for everybody. Just made a promise that's probably not going to go anywhere. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here. Just 1 of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.